stocks to watch in the coming week. Positive thinking around a potential coronavirus antibody and the reviving of the U.S. economy supported the financial exchange to another triumphant week. On a week-after-week premise, the Dow climbed 3.3%, the S&P 500 progressed 3.2%, and the Nasdaq Composite rose 3.4%. These positive impetuses are probably going to give an extra lift to the market, which now is overlooking the rising U.S.-China strains. On Friday, Dr. Anthony Fauci, chief of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, disclosed to NPR that Moderna's antibody information looked encouraging, and he stays eager about the economy reviving. During the coming exchanging week, which is one day shorter because of the Memorial Day occasion on Monday, we're concentrating on the accompanying three stocks. 1. Salesforce.com will report its monetary 2021 first quarter profit on Thursday, May 28 after the market closes. The organization, which sells venture programming and cloud-based administrations to corporate customers, is conjectured to report more than $4.86 billion in income and 69 cents of profit per share. Probably the greatest driver of future development for Salesforce is the organization's securing of Tableau software for $15.3 billion a year ago. The all-stock arrangement was Salesforce's biggest exchange ever, some portion of its transition to venture into the business knowledge field. As per the organization, the Tableau arrangement will support deals and impel the product creator all the more profoundly into rivalry with portion monsters Microsoft Corporation and Oracle, the two of which offer business knowledge apparatuses. Salesforce.com shares are up over 9% for the year, subsequent to recuperating from the coronavirus-prompted plunge. They shut on Friday at $177.85, increasing 1.48% on the day. 2. Costco. The retail segment will buy and buy go under investigation on Thursday when Costco Wholesale reports its financial 2022 from last quarter results after the nearby. Examiners are expecting $2.71 in offer and benefit on deals of $49.97 billion. Costco, alongside Walmart, has been one of the essential recipients of pandemic-related customer storing as of late as housebound customers gather up tissue, oat and other ordinary fundamentals while protecting setup. For the 35 weeks finished May 3, Costco announced net deals of $107.64 billion, an expansion of 7.8% from $99.89 billion during the comparative period a year ago. That addition shows the retailer kept on profiting by the coronavirus-prompted interest for shopper products in spite of the constrained administrations or terminations of whole divisions. These restrictions could in any case hurt profit and future development. Costco shares are up 3% for the year, shutting at $302.43 on Friday. 3. Dell Technologies will likewise discharge its financial Q1 2021 outcomes on Thursday, May 28, after the market close. Examiners expect 99 cents EPS on $20.66 billion in income. Bloomberg revealed a week ago that Dell will suspend commitments to representatives' 401k retirement designs under a coordinating project starting June 1 because of the contracting economy and contracting spending on data innovation. The Round Rock, Texas-based organization hasn't discharged outcomes since February, so it's indistinct how high a cost the pandemic has taken on the equipment creator. Programming Creativeware, of which Dell possesses over 80%, likewise apparently cut compensations, official compensation and 401k coordinates because of the wavering worldwide economy. Portions of the Data Innovation Organization are down 16% for the year. Dell shut on Friday at $43.07, down about 3%. The organization, which was at that point confronting delicate spending before COVID-19 hit the significant economies this year, could additionally downsize its business figure.